So we got a 2009 Yamaha Nitro. We're going to show you how to remove the belt. You don't need any tools. It's pretty simple. You're going to go and you're going to set your parking brake just so the sled doesn't move and it's going to hold your secondary in spot. We're going to go and we're going to push here, but at the same time we're going to find one of the ledges on the inside of the clutch. So we're going to, right here, okay, so we're going to pull up and push in and push our belt down at the same time down into the secondary. So you want to push it in on the top. That's a little tricky. You want to push down with your thumb. Okay. Once it's down in, we're going to take it. We're going to slide it off the bottom, up and around. Then your belt comes right off. Then to go and put your belt back on. So you got your new belt. See? Ta-da! You want to make sure you put it on the right way because there's backwards and forward. So you always want the arrows to go forward. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to start down here in the bottom. We're going to try and open this up some. So we're going to push in and slide the belt up and over. Back up in the spot there. So if you haven't already and you'd like to, please subscribe, hit that like button if this helped you out. And for future content, we're going to be doing a full teardown of this motor. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see some of that, see what's inside of this and what's going on. And probably do some riding videos once we get back up and riding. So see you later.